In this video we will learn how we can use function templates. For this video we will take an example of some function. We have created the function overloaded feature to create some function for integers separately and some function for float separately. Now we will change the technique to perform this functionality. First of all, we will create a definition for a new template. We can write anything in space of this T. We can write type ABC, XYZ, whatever you want, and then we will create a function like sum. We will say that it will receive two parameters of T. First parameter name is A and second parameter name is B, and the types of both members is T that we have defined over this line, and it will also return a value of type T. So what we will function do, it will simply return the sum of the two parameters. Now we don't need this class declaration here, and we will simply call this function by passing its integer values, and we can also pass float values to the same function. Now when the sum function is provided with the integer values, the sum function will assume that this A is of type integer and this B of type integer, and also the return value is type of integer. But when we call this function by using float values, then the function assumes that the type of this A is float, the type of B is float, and the return value is also float. So in these two function calls, both will run successfully. Let us try to run the project, and it says sum 1 is 30 and sum 2 is 8.3. We can also call this function by passing it double values like this, and you can see that the function is running for all the data types, and like pass some character values like A and B. Let's say what it says, and it returned with a symbol, special symbol. So this is basically function template.